Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and now we need to press and hold both of the touch controls. But I recommend to close the charging case, then open it, and after that press and hold it. Now we wait until the LED light on the front side starts flashing orange. Also, if after 5 seconds it do not blinking white, you doing something bad. So I recommend it really you to just close and open the charging case. Okay, we just perform it. Now we need to go to the settings to reconnect these earbuds. Then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And then I have on pair, but you may have forget the device, so click at this button. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. If you have iOS or Realme, just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you need to only tap on them. And then click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!